Self-defense is important. It is always better to be prepared than sorry, and self-defense can come in handy anytime, especially with the world today. People don't exactly feel safe with news of wars, terrorism, crime and violence almost anywhere. And even if there are police forces, you cannot expect them to be present each time you call for help, so you need to be prepared for all situations to keep yourself safe. There are ways to defend yourself, and learning it is within reach, like knowing martial arts that can give you valuable skills to defend yourself when necessary, or if you want another way to defend yourself for unexpected attacks, you can opt for a self-defense weapon. Self-defense weapons keep you protected in real-life situations, and there are a number of weapons that you can use, like pepper spray, daggers, spikes, guns, comb knives and batons, but most of these weapons are not concealable and are not convenient, making it hard for you to carry it everywhere you go. And if you can't bring it with you anywhere, you are risking yourself from unexpected threats. It is important to have a weapon you feel comfortable to carry, and naturally something that you can easily use when you need it. Self-defense weapons that are discreet, smartly designed, multifunctional and can somehow immobilize the attacker are advisable. Weapons with these characteristics are reliable and very handy, especially with high crime rates nowadays and the existence of violence almost anywhere. It is not smart to depend on the police alone. You need to be always prepared and save yourself from dangerous situations. Protecting yourself is a priority, and you can do so with a discreet but deadly weapon like the Strike Pen Black. What is Strike Pen Black? Strike Pen Black is a discreet but can be deadly weapon that can help you protect yourself from bad guys or attackers that want to harm you. It has a discreet design that your enemies won't see it coming. It is a tactical pen, small, light, black and multifunctional. If you need something with you on a daily basis, this is it. It looks like a regular pen but can double as a weapon and emergency glass breaker. It has been proven and tested time and time again. This tool is used by survivalists that will have you ready and confident when danger strikes. How does Strike Pen Black work? Strike Pen Black is made from milled alloy, making the pen strong and durable. While it looks like a regular pen, it can be used as a flashlight too, with two interchangeable tools. One is a knife, which you can definitely use to defend yourself. It is very sharp and strong. The other one is a multi-purpose tool with a flat head driver, hex wrench, blade and bottle opener, which can come in very handy. This discreet tool is very light and portable, that you can just carry it in your pocket and feel secure that you have with you something powerful and deadly to protect yourself with when needed. About the creator, the company that created the Strike Pen Black is Ape Survival. The company is known for specializing and producing weapons for self-defense and survival. Advantages: 1. Strike Pen Black is lightweight, handy and powerful, that you can just insert it in your pocket or purse. 2. You can bring it with you anywhere. While there are self-defense weapons you can use, this one is discreetly made to look like a regular pen but can double as a weapon. 3. It is small but made to last long even with wear and tear. 4. It's a functional smooth pen that comes with a replacement ink and batteries. 5. It has a blunt end that can use to break barriers, even glass. 6. The LED torch is bright and efficient. 7. The tactical pen comes with 3 top-selling self-defense guides for free. 8. It comes with an accessory case, ideal for storing the pen and its parts. Disadvantages: 1. This device can only be purchased online, therefore, you need an internet connection to order this product. 2. As simple and easy as it looks, you have to read the instructions to know how it properly works, including some of its features. Recommendation: it is so important to be able to defend yourself in times of difficult and dangerous situations, and Strike Pen Black can help you protect yourself. Tactical pens like Strike Pen Black are popular because they can be hidden in plain sight, looking so plain and regular, but with secret functional tools that you can use. Having a Strike Pen Black is a smart choice for people who prioritize their safety, for people who refuse to become victims, for people who want to fight back and defend their rights to feel safe. It gives you the advantage when put in a difficult situation. This functional pen that doubles as a self-defense weapon is a must for everybody. It is an essential lifesaver.